Tenoa, Quatzihopa, Bon dia, Buenos dias, greetings. We did it. Phase 1 complete. I would like to thank everyone. This was a community effort. To all the private sponsors, GoFundMe, New Mexico Community Capital, families, tribes, programs, organizations, friends, Capoeira UCA, Girasol, and New Mexico. This December 11th at 6 p.m., we will have a meeting with the town of Jemez Springs explaining the goals and visions to zoning and planning. Anyone is welcome to attend. It will be held at the Jemez Springs Library at 6 p.m. We also invite you to join us every Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. There are a couple mini projects that could use help. The plan is to get each room cleaned and ready for use. We plan to open by January 30th, 2026. The big project is the garage. We need to insulate and redo the flooring. I'll bring the materials needed. Just send me an email or call for the address. If you would like to be a sponsor or investor, please utilize GoFundMe or Venmo. Thank you for believing in Indigenous Connection 1696. We hope to see you soon.